Welcome to our Mojo Flex mini-series. My name is Jason Harrop, Senior Design Lead here at Mojo Media Labs, and today we're going to be talking about the Icons with Content module. On the left-hand side, we've got a list of modules that you can choose from. We're going to go ahead and pick the Icons with Content module, drag that on over, and then select the module. The settings that we have are background options, spacing options, animation options. We've got a rich text editor, service items per row. You can choose 3 to 5, no link, custom font colors, your title font sizes, mobile, medium, and desktop. We've got the blurb font size, mobile, medium, and desktop. And then moving down, we've got add space between items. You can hide the divider lines, custom height for custom icons, and then we've got corner radius. At the very bottom of the list, you'll notice that it says service items. This is where you're going to be able to add your icons with text. Go ahead and add one. On the right hand side, you'll notice that we've got an icon using the font Awesome Gallery. The left hand side will change to the options of the service items. It'll start out with the service title. You can add a custom icon. Right now we've got as default a font Awesome icon, a service icon color override, so you can change the color of the font Awesome icon, a divider color, you can link the icon, have the link open up in a new window, you can add a service short blurb to the icon, do a background gradient, and then you can do a background color with a hover. Let's go ahead and fill in some of these options. Service title. We'll go ahead and change the color of the icon so you can see what that does. Right now it looks like it's set to an orange. I'm going to go ahead and change that to teal. You can change the hover color to a purple. I'll change it to blue and just show you what that looks like. So as you can see now, we've got a hover of a blue color. The divider color, right now you can't see those because it's only set to one item, but once we add in other icons you should be able to see those divider lines. Let's go ahead and add in a short blurb. And then the background gradient. So we have several options here. We can do diagonal gradients, vertical gradients, horizontal gradients. I'll go ahead and apply a vertical gradient. And then we also have the gradient hover effects. Now that we've set up the styles for your service item, next what we'll want to do is go up to this top, click back to Icons with Content. This will take us back to the very beginning of the module. Just go ahead and scroll down. Rather than create a whole new one, what you can do is clone the item. This will automatically apply the styles that we already set up for the service item. I'm going to go ahead and clone 3 more. You'll notice that we have 5 service icons in here. You'll notice that the 5th one actually drops to the bottom. That's because we have this set to 4. Now if we scroll up, you'll notice service items per row is set to 4. We can go ahead and set that to 5. That way they'll stay all in line. If you add in 6 items and it's set to 5, it will add an extra item down below. So some of the options that we talked about previously in the beginning, you can add space in between items, hide divider lines, and also custom height for custom icons. Let's go ahead and add a space in between these. So once you click that checkbox, it's going to give you a field that says amount of space in between. Right now we've got it set to 15 pixels. If you want just a couple of pixels in between, you can go ahead and apply that. Say we want to add a custom height for the custom icons. Right now, by default, is set to 80. If we needed a little bit more room, we could actually adjust this to 120 or above. You'll notice corner radius. You can apply a rounded corner to each service item. I'm going to go ahead and set an 8. As you can see, we've got rounded corners now for each item. So one of the great features with this module is that you can apply a custom font color. Let's go ahead and check that box. You can apply a color to the title and a color to the blurb. Not only do you change the colors, but you can adjust the hover state as well. Let's go ahead and change the colors of the title. And I'm going to change the hover state to that blue because the icon that we changed before was that blue color. I'm going to go ahead and leave the blurb the way it is now, but you do have those options to change that. So now when we hover over these service items, we've got the icon that matches the font. So I went ahead and set up some styles for each individual service item so you can see the flexibility that this module has. Now that we've gone over all the settings within the icon and content module, you can go ahead and apply these things to your new MojoFlex theme. My name is Jason Harrop, Senior Design Lead here at Mojo Media Labs, and thank you for watching.